𝐍𝐨. A refurbished, semi-detached bungalow, built in the early 1970s and located in the delightful village of Potterspury. The property has front and rear gardens, off-road parking, and separate garage. There is an impressive open-plan living area, featuring newly installed bifold doors, which open onto a large patio. 𝐍𝐨 would make an ideal first-time purchase, or possible investment property, and has the potential for a loft conversion, subject to statutory approvals. For more information, or to arrange a viewing, please contact us on 01327 361 664 or email enquiries@davidcosby.co.uk.